guys, welcome back. I'm Wendy, I'm the Mainely DIY Mom, and today we are replacing an old kitchen faucet. It has several leaks and you can repair them, but this faucet needs to be updated. So let me show you what we're working with. We have this very old single hole faucet that has this plate over it. It has some permanent staining, which I've tried scrubbing off and it won't come off. It has leaks here and under the plate. So it's going to be updated with this Glacier Bay single handle pull down. This is a really old setup and there is a shelf that is directly in the way, so I need to remove that first. You need to have like a comfortable pad to be able to lay down on. I'm going to use this foam pad, and make sure you have protective eyewear because when you're laying on your back, debris can fall down in your eyes. And we have to get way up in there behind the sink. What we need to do first is shut the water off. So once you verify the water shut off, we are going to disconnect the old pieces, and I recommend that you have a small container, something to catch water in, because there might be some water that comes out right here. And slowly turn it to the left, lefty loosey. Because this old faucet had a sprayer, I also have to disconnect this sprayer hose, and then I'll go up top. That's the hard part about plumbing. It's just getting underneath the sink and getting everything out. But once you do, you can just take it all out. There it is, the beast. Okay, so now we're just going to take some waterproof silicone and we're going to seal this. So this is the quick connector, and I'm going to attach it to this. Okay, that's easy. Okay, there's the weight. Hey guys, well, I finished the project. Everything looks great. There's no leaks. Faucet looks beautiful. And these little holes, you can buy the plugs on Amazon. That's it for this time. Have a great day.